to Britech Mechatronic. Today what we have is Mercedes-Benz W205. We are doing power steering programming. And this is it's a brand new power steering that we are going to program. It's already plugged, as you can see. There's some oil leakage I need to check. As you can see, we are going to do the online programming for the power steering as I indicated. So we click on diagnostics, then we will hit on automatic scan. I'm going to scan the entire system. So after the system has been scanned, wow, the speed at which it was scanning, that's why I said wow, it wasn't anything. So I will pause here. So after the auto scanning has been done, I will diagnose the distance. Okay, maybe it will be done in no time. Sure, at 90%, that's 100. So we search for power steering. Let me see. So this is the power steering. We click on it. We have 340 in it. We hit on diagnosis. So we have fault that says an incorrect variant coding, and input circuit 30 has a malfunction. All these things are because of the unit. It's a brand new this thing that is inside. So I'm going to do the online programming. We will click on programming and customization. With the online programming, we have initialization. We start from the initialization. Manual initialization. Manual initialization is whereby the the unit that you are going to use is already connected onto the car, and the automatic programming is whereby you use the old one to back up. You back up the old one, then you transfer the details in the old one to the new one. And in this situation, the old unit machine cannot communicate it because it got burst and broken. So I'm doing it manual initialization. Then we click on continue. See, from here it will ask you to connect your USB cable as we have connected from the VCI to the device. Let me pause and start because I don't want the video to be long. Starting again, we click on OK because we have read and understood. And this thing, programming SCN may cause vehicle fault. For safety, it is recommended that you perform vehicle backup. So we will do backup. We are backing up the data. So after the data has been backed up, then it will code on. We will code this thing online so that we will not have any glitch or faulty issues. So it's backing the data up, which is the entire system data. That is the entire system. It's backing up the entire system, including the power steering, which it will back the old values and other stuff. So it's backing up. Oh, our battery is 10%. Oh, How is this possible? Our battery is 10%, so that means it won't be successful. Firing the data from the server. The data has been backed. All this thing has been backed. The backup has been successful, but my battery is not good. So I want to do something. The battery is dead. As you can see, it's 9, it's dead. The battery is dead, it's gone. So we click on what do you call? Okay. Then you read the following this thing description over here. Then you read to understand, then you continue. So getting data from the server. Just praying that my battery does not run again. So yeah, it's getting the listing, the data. My internet, I think, is a bit down. That is why it's a bit slow. It's quite slow. But as you can see, it's downloading. The video will be long, and I don't want it to be. So I'll pause and then continue when it starts doing it. So you see the ignition is still on, and we are on 25. So as you can see over here, I guess you can see the software versions that are hard. So what we do is that you click on yes, but I have to. We see our current software is. You can see the current is 20590200606, and the target's the same number. The target number is the same. The target number is the same, but we will continue regardless. Then so as you can see, it has started coding it. So the pack to go off, and you can see from here the programming has started. So it will take not less than 1 minute to complete it, but as I said, I don't want the video to be long, so I'll pause, then continue when we get to 100% or 80 something percent. So you can see we are at 85. So right after the coding is done, you have to drive the car, or else the power steering will become stiff or harder. That is the only problem that you can have if you don't drive it, if you don't test drive it right after programming. Was there this is the question. Can you see it has us? Was the electronic power steering replaced? Then you hit on yes. So here I'm going to put in the coding number. I'm going to put in the coding number. I'll type in the coding number because let me pause here. After typing in the coding number, then I'll show you, because I can't scan it. And then the coding number, you know, I have a way of the coding number sometimes is printed on the power steering. It is either you type or you scan it. So hit on continue. Conduct a test drive, as you can see from here. Then we click OK. So the coding has been successful, as you can see. We click on OK. Then we start the car. Have you seen the power steering is off over here? The steer is soft. So we are going to conduct a test drive in order not to have any issues with the power steering. The test drive is being conducted. As you can see, I'm still test driving for the system to adopt the driving behavior. Most of the time, if you don't do this, you'll be having the power steering faulty back, and the steer will be hard. You need to, you know, have a good tense. The way you handle the steer, it adjusts to those things. So you need to, it's necessary to do the test drive. It's very necessary to do it for you not to have any issues with the power steering. For the steer to become hard, let me put it that way. To become hard, you need to do the test driving as I am doing, because the power steering is a brand new, yet it's aftermarket, but it's brand new. And I use the measures to do it online, and that's the coding that I'm talking about. And yeah, the test drive is still done. Now I'm done. So what I could say is that thank you for watching. Please kindly like, subscribe and share. Welcome to Britech once again.